This is Shizuting for Sprint 1, Space Galaga, Sprint 1 achievements. As a gamer, I want to move the shooter using left and right arrow keys so that I can navigate the shooter on the game scene. As an alien, I want to travel downwards so that I can explode myself to kill the spacecraft. As a missile, I want to travel upwards so that I can explode myself to kill the alien. As a gamer, I want to move the shooter using left and right arrow keys so that I can navigate the shooter on the game scene. The shooter moves to the right by 10 pixels with the right arrow key press. Shooter moves to the left by 10 pixels with the left arrow key press. As left key is pressed 70 times, the shooter crosses from right edge to left edge of screen. For left and right arrow keys, the shooter moves continuously as the key is kept pressing. And as an alien, I want to travel downwards so that I can explode myself to kill the spacecraft. The alien moves from top to bottom by itself. The alien travels in groups, and the alien moves downwards 5 pixels at a time. Let's take a look at that. As you can see here, the alien is traveling downwards, and the spacecraft can be moved left and right continuously.